Next, the carrot. Then next, the bell pepper. And then next, guys, we gotta do, we can go ahead and put the onion and the garlic, I meant to say, garlic in the same frying pan. Cook it like 30 seconds and then add the onions. And then the tomatoes. Cook it like 1 or 2 minutes. And then now after 1 minute or so, we can add the pork. Let it cook like 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add the tomato sauce. Coming back for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, after 3 minutes, this is how it looks. Now we can add the tomato sauce. Go ahead and put pepper, black pepper, and salt, probably 1 tablespoon. And then let it cook for about 45 minutes. Let the meat tenderize or till the meat gets soft. So between 30 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, I will be back in 30 minutes to check it. After 20 minutes guys, let's check the meat if it is tender. Okay. Check our meat. It's soft. Soft now. At this point, we can go ahead and put the bay leaves and pork nor cubes. This is a nor cubes. Pork flavor. And bay leaves. It's soft, but I want softer. Probably I would say I will simmer it probably another 10 minutes. By the way guys, I forgot to tell you, I used the pork shoulder. And then normally the Afritada have some hot dog, but my husband said no, don't put any hot dog. So it's optional anyway. It's up to you if you want to add hot dog. Okay. Probably I need to add more water, probably 1 cup. Come back for 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. Now it's time to check the meat first. Okay, soft now. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the potatoes, bell pepper, and green peas. Now we can add the potatoes, green pea, carrot, and the bell pepper, and mix it. Cook a little bit more for the potatoes and carrot, just to soften up. And then I'm gonna add probably 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, just to thicken up the sauce. I think that's enough right there. Have to taste the sauce if we need to add more salt or pepper. It's good. I think I need to put more black pepper, just a little bit. It's good enough right here. 5 to 10 minutes should be done. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, still a little bit hard. I need a couple more minutes. 2 minutes. Okay guys, check the potatoes. Alright, soft. So it's done. Ready to serve. Okay guys, here's our finished product. Here guys, here you have it. Enjoy. Till next time.